All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Pepe community. This right here is a very important update. I got a lot to discuss, so watch this video till the absolute end. To let me know that you have watched this till the end, comment the word moon down below. But anyhow, let's get right into it. If we're looking across the board, we are seeing tremendous red across the board right now. Altcoins, whether you're looking at meme coins, are down quite a bit. Pepe, to be specific, is down about 8.2%. But let's take a closer look at it and see what is happening. And I got a lot to discuss, as I stated before. So Pepe is down 8.2%. The price currently sitting at 188. Still 4 zeros in front of the price. Down 11.1% in Bitcoin and 8.6% in Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at 7.76 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $5.2 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, last update, which was yesterday, I got so many people in the comments, panicking at the fact that, the market is correcting, the price of Pepe is going down. And, I really want to kind of emphasize the comments that were coming in and just showing you that there's a lot of new money coming into this space. We saw a small retracement at the time all these comments started flooding after my upload. You need to understand one thing, and I hope you guys can take away some important key factors from this. If you have done your due diligence, research, and have invested where you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key to follow. But if you're glued to your screen and are going to be, panicking over small moves towards the downside, and let me tell you this, then that means you haven't done the due diligence factor. And you need to do the due diligence factor. No one else will do it. And if you have seen what the market has done over the course of the last 24 hours, and you think this is not something that you want to obviously take a part in, then that just shows that crypto is not for you. Crypto is known for its volatility. It's not just beautiful rainbow days that you're going to see. There will be times where you do see retracements. And if you're not okay with the retracement part, then like I said, crypto might not be the best option for you. I've seen, and I know a lot of people within the Pepe community that have been here for quite some time, or anyone that has been in this crypto space for quite some time can relate. What we're looking at right now is nothing, and I promise you it's nothing what we have seen in the past. Projects, meme coins, altcoins, whatever the case may be, can drop 40, 50, 60, even 80%, and I've seen that. So, like I said, if you're panicking over what we have seen and completely, and on top of that, hear me out, completely forgetting what Pepe has been able to do over the course of the last 2 weeks, and you're just completely ignoring that factor but only focusing on the retracement, I will emphasize this so much: crypto might not be the best option for you in this case. But this is not for everyone, right? I'm not, referring to everyone, just referring to the people that were throwing absolutely insanely amount of negative comments on the video yesterday. And it's just, kind of frustrating at that point. But yeah, let's get right into it. And shout out to the people, that were backing me and, taking my back and saying, hey, this is not a retracement. If you think this is a retracement, you are in for a big surprise. But at the end of the day, usually there's people that are happy and there's people that are not happy, right? You're not going to get everyone being happy. And I know that. I've been doing this for quite some time. But sometimes it's just really frustrating. You need to kind of clear things up. Anyhow, enough with the rant. Let's take a look at what's happening with the broader market. Because guess what? Bitcoin actually hit a new all-time high. The king of the market actually hit a new all-time high yet again. But we're seeing something very interesting playing out, and I'll explain that. So, of course, Pepe down 8%. Market picking up traction over the course of the last 1 hour. But look at what happened with the dominance index. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to even take a look at it and really grasp what's going on. Dominance went from 59.55% all the way to 61.74% in less than 48 hours. What is this showing you? What is this showing you? This is showing you that a lot of momentum is shifting into Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin tends to get majority of the momentum and you see a little bit of a minor pullback for Bitcoin, guess what? Altcoins will react in a negative way. And that's exactly what we have seen happen today. But like I said, over the last 1 hour, market is picking up a little bit. So that's nice to see, because guess what? Bitcoin once again broke back towards its all-time high. If you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, you can see this for yourself. BTC went up to an all-time high of $94,764, bounced down to the previous all-time high support, bounced back up and making its way back above to a new all-time high. So, Bitcoin has a lot of momentum on itself. And remember, the shakeout that we did see from the new all-time high down to $93,200, guess what? That caused the dominance to go up, and altcoins, including meme coins, had a red day, more red than yesterday. And that's what you need to grasp and understand. And looking at the holder count, though, still continually growing. Despite the retracement, you're still seeing new holders coming in and accumulating Pepe because they see the potential. And like I said, I hate to say it, not everyone is going to win in this market. Not everyone is going to win in this market. It's going to be only some winners. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of losers as well. But on the Crypto ZX channel, we try the best to become, on the winner side. And in order for you to become the winner, you cannot be greedy. You cannot be greedy, and you cannot be waiting for the market to kind of show a little bit of a retracement before you start regretting. You had the chance. You had the chance to have some stop losses in place. Your risk strategy is your responsibility. We don't be, selling on your behalf or entering on your behalf. That's up to you. I just make updates because, my community loves this. And of course, that's why I bring out these updates for you guys. But we cannot forget, which a lot of people have already forgotten, from November 4th, Pepe is up 131% despite seeing this little pullback that we're seeing within its price. And if you watch, I think 3 to 4 updates ago, I said it's extremely important for the price of Pepe to, find a ground for itself after it hits an all-time high. Because if it's not able to do that, the prices can go down quite fast and, retest major support, which again was at its previous all-time high down to 1717. But what Pepe has been doing is it has been trading sideways, finding a ground for itself, which is really nice to see. And guess what? A lot of people will overlook this. On the Crypto ZX channel, we won't overlook this, and I'll emphasize this, continuously, because that is the reality. If there was indeed major weakness, I'll be like, hey guys, you know what? There is major weakness. But now with that said, now let's say we go below the 1770 zone. Guess what? Guess where we are then? Guess where we retest? The 1725. Pretty much we could go down to this level. I spoke to you guys about the potential of that level retest, and we are still down about still down about 9.3% in order for us to retest that support. But that is a significant support that could still potentially be retested if Bitcoin once again sees a little bit of a minor pullback, which it can do. Whales tend to manipulate the futures platform. Future platforms has major manipulation. But look at the price of Bitcoin, especially look at it from this price point from November 12th. You're seeing this beautiful upwards trajectory formation forming. Big money is coming into Bitcoin like never before. As Bitcoin is gaining momentum, dominance is gaining momentum as well. You don't really want to see the dominance going up because when Bitcoin sees a retracement and dominance is that high, this can impact altcoins. But you can't do anything about that, right? That is where your risk strategy comes into play. That's where your due diligence and research comes into play. If that is not something that you want, then that's up to you to decide, not anyone else. But look at this, guys. As of recording this update, Bitcoin is on the move to head towards yet again a new all-time high. And maybe at the time of you watching this update, you will see BTC breaking a new all-time high. Who knows? And maybe Pepe's price can start picking up in USD comparative against Bitcoin. But in Bitcoin comparative, a lot of the market right now is actually lagging behind. But let me know down below what you guys think. Over the past 1 hour, thanks to Bitcoin moving up, the market is picking up some traction. But sorry for the big rant today. Just wanted to kind of clear things up because the comments that I've been receiving on the Pepe update yesterday were just ridiculous in my opinion. But anyhow, love each and every one of you guys. You guys know who you are. Thank you for all your support. To the people that tune in on a day-to-day basis, cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting, and I will bring out these updates for you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.